Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys very special things. I want to show you how to make garri, so guys can see. See, this is how they fry garri. The garri that we are eating, soaking and drinking. This is how they fry it. So after you peel your cassava, you take it to machine will grind it and squeeze the water on it. After squeeze the water on it, then you fried it. If you didn't dry it well, you sprayed it on the sun. You can see this one that they spray on the sun, so that the thing will dry very well. After dry it, then you fry it. This is how they fry garri in the village. Village lifestyle. I love it too. You can see, if you are turning it, you have to be very fast. If not, the thing will get lumps. So you turn it very fast. You can see my sister and her daughter. See how they are doing it fast. But me, I don't get energy. So guys can see, this is how they fry garri. See how they mold the place so that the fire will not touch them. Then you put the pan. Then you want to put make firewood. This is where they put the firewood under it, so that the firewood will not touch them. And see how they mold the place like this, as if they are building a house, so that if they fry it, the fire will not touch them. You can see the pan on top of that mold. They put block, mold it like house. They can put the pan on top. This is how they used to fry garri. This is white garri. Some fry it and add red oil. They turn to yellow garri. So but this one is pure white garri. See the one they fry. And see the one they fry. Like this, you can soak it and drink, and use it and do eba, swallow, fufu. Can use it and do it. So very fresh. You fry it like this, soak it, you are enjoying it. A very fresh garri and sour garri. They call it, some call it jebu garri, because it's very, very sour. The sour one, when you soak it, add groundnut with cold water, you are enjoying it. Or you put kuli that groundnut. So everything inside, you use cold water with kuli or groundnut with sugar or honey. Add small milk. If you didn't see milk, and take it like that, you are enjoying it. So guys can see how they fry garri that we eat, we drink. This is how they fry it. Wow, very lovely. I'm really enjoying it. Hi, I love village. Village is sweet. Wow. So that is all for fry garri in the village. I love you guys. Please don't forget to put your comment, subscribe and share. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.